Hi, this is Dr. Fryer. Today's August the 30th, 2023, and in this video I'd like to show you how you can share voice memos from your iPad to Google Drive, and then you'll be able to turn these in for our Family Oral History project, both when you're recording this for your practice interview with a classmate, and then also when you are doing this with a parent. So, instructions for all this are in Canvas, and so you're going to be able to go here to Canvas and you'll be able to see these steps. And I'll go ahead and go through these different steps for you because there are a lot of them. Step one says to review the great questions list. So we've been doing this in class. There's a lot of really good questions that you can have here, and you can go to questions that are good for anyone or any of these other categories, and you're going to use that to fill out your script. Now, you've already created your script for your, probably by the time you're seeing this, for your classmate interview. You're going to use the same script, a copy of it for your parents. You don't need to click this to make a new one. What you need to do is go to Google Drive, and if you've already created it, you should have your script here. And if you don't see it at the top, over here on the side, you can click on Recent, and then you should see your script, and you can go ahead and open up your script. Now, in class, I'm going to recommend that you have your script on your laptop, and then you're going to be able to use your iPad to do your audio recording, and that's what I'm going to show here. But you can also, on your iPad, split the screen so that you have both the script and the interview. But I think it's probably going to be easier with Padlet to put everything together on the laptop. So let's go ahead and see what this is going to look like. So now that I have my script, I'm going to be ready to record. And so I'm going to switch over here to my iPad to go ahead and show that to you. If you don't have voice memos, visible on your dock at the bottom, you can pull down to open up Spotlight and start to type voice, VOI, if I can spell that right and not say a C. And so I've shown in the past how to use the Voice Record Pro app, which is free, but Voice Memos is on your iPad, and it's just easier to use since you just don't have to even install anything. So here I am in the app. To do the recording, you're simply going to press the red button and you're going to start. But again, have your script up so that you're going to be able to view your script and you'll be able to see your iPad at the same time. Hi, this is Dr. Fryer. This is August 30th, 2023, and this is a test recording. So let's pretend like I'm done. You can pause it like I did there if you need to take a break or something, but when you click done, that recording is going to be finished and you are now ready to share it. What I recommend you do is you share this recording to Google Drive, and then you should be able to go to your laptop and you'll be able to download it and do everything else with Padlet. And that's what I'm going to show you. So up here at the top of the screen, if you do not already see the share box, you may need to tap those three dots, and that's where you can click on share. And you're going to have a bunch of choices. If you don't have Google Drive visible, scroll across, and as long as you have Google Drive on your iPad, you should be able to tap Google Drive there. Now, the first time that you do this, it is going to ask you to log in. So you're going to have to sign into your account, and you can check here at the bottom. This is just going to put it inside My Drive, which is fine. And you should just be able to tap upload. And notice what the name of that file is. I have my location on, so it said Sardis Road because I'm here at school. But if you would want to, you can change the name. You just need to be able to recognize it. All right, so we're now done with the iPad. We are now ready to put this into Padlet and to turn this in. All right. So the steps to turn it into Padlet, it says log into our Padlet first. So when you click on this, here is our Padlet, and you'll go up here to the upper right corner, and this is where you're going to click sign in. You're going to sign in with Google, and you should already be signed in and synced. So you should be able to do that right away. So great. Now I'm signed in. What do I do next? We've just done this. We've uploaded the file from our iPad, and we've put it into Google Drive. So now I can download it to this laptop. And here's how I'm going to do that. When I go to Google Drive, if I click on Recent, and you may need to refresh or reload the page if you've already had Google Drive running, it should just be there right at the top, okay? And this is the file. Again, you can rename that if you want. If you double tap it to open it, you can click the download link right there in the corner, and that's one way to download it. You can also two-finger tap or the two-button mouse right-click, and you can choose download. Either way, that file is going to go down to your downloads folder in your laptop. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. It says that I'm going to confirm my script is shared with anyone, and then I'm going to copy that link. So here's my script, which I should have filled out. And when I click on share, this is where I needed to have changed it. So instead of restricted or Providence Day, just have anyone with the link copy the link. Okay, and that is the link that we're going to be putting into Padlet. We're now ready to put everything into Padlet, and that's what it says here, is that we're going to upload our file and we're going to add the link. So I am here on Padlet. I'm going to click here in the corner to add a new post. I can put a title, so I'll call this Dr. Fryer Interview Test. You just say who the person you're interviewing. And when you click on the file, this time in downloads at the top, you should have the file. And it's going to be an M4A file. That's fine. Instead of an MP3, that's just the kind of audio file it is. And it's going to have this picture of the guitar and microphone and keyboard because it's an audio file. But down here at the bottom is where you're going to paste, and you can use Command V. You can two-finger tap or right-click, but that's it. You've got your audio recording there, and you have your script, and you're ready to click publish. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. At one time we were talking about selfies, but Padlet doesn't let you put a picture and a file that you upload. You can only have one attachment, so we're going to leave that with just the audio file as the attachment. And here's how I need to get my link. This is what you're going to turn in. You're going to click here on the corner of your post on Padlet, and you're going to choose this one, copy link to post. So again, find yours, and if you click in the corner, you can choose copy link to post, and that's the last step. You're going to turn that in. So you're going to start this assignment. At the bottom of it, it says website URL. That's where you're going to paste with Command V or two-finger tap and submit assignment, and you're all done. You finished. Okay, so those were a lot of steps. But those were ways that you can use the Voice Memos app on your iPad to record, which I really do think is wonderful because it does save that automatically. And unlike Vocaroo, which we've used, it doesn't, it saves it and doesn't just go away when you close the web browser. And it's kind of easier in Vocaroo to lose your file. We don't want to lose your file. So I hope that is helpful to you. If you happen to be seeing this online, I've got this whole lesson about oral history shared on my lessons website, which is lessons.wesfryer.com. You can also visit wesfryer.com/after to find more links to learn with me. So thanks so much, and good luck to everybody.